everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am gonna do a pour with my, I think I'm still kind of doing like a little comparison series. I'm gonna do a flip cup. This one I'm using blues, and then I'm gonna use some white in this one, and then I'm gonna do another one where I'm gonna use the same blues, but I'm gonna use some black in the layers. But for the most part, it's going to be some blue colors. The colors that I'm using is the Artist Lofts white. I have Blinkrylic's Florescent blue. The Rustoleum's metallic Glacier blue. Arteza's pearl turquoise. This is Blinkrylic's turquoise, and Decoart's metallic sapphire. And then I'm using the white as well. So I'm just gonna layer my cup up here, and I need about 6 or 7 ounces of paint. This is a pretty big cup, so I'm probably gonna fill it and then up to there. And I am not using any gold, but I do have 2 metallics. I have the metallic Glacier blue, and then the Decoart's metallic sapphire. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys will enjoy this little fun video series. I'm kind of having fun doing these. It's just to kind of see the difference that you get out of them. Just with using a darker or a lighter, either the base or, like in this case, it'll be just a layer of the white and a layer of the black. But this one will be with the white. So. And hopefully we can get some pretty cool cells out of this. I think that should be plenty enough here. This is a 12 by 16 inch Artist Loft canvas. Alrighty, here we go. I'm not the best at these flipping, but we shall see. Oop, that was not good. And I can never get it all to stay in there. Gosh darn it. All right.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach.
I think I'm gonna redo this one because I really want some more dark, a little bit darker in there. This kind of got a little too much white, so I'm just gonna layer the cup up here a little bit again.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I'm Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby.
This corner is really cool. I like how that is. And all these cells here and here. I'm sure Jade will see a mermaid somewhere in all this beautiful water. And Nate, you'll have to have, if you're watching this, you'll have to have Jade call me and tell me where she sees the mermaid and what else she sees in here, because this is pretty cool. So I'm going to bring it on for a close-up. Look at how pretty that is. Crazy cool cells and so much beautiful shimmer. That looks like kind of like an eel. That's kind of cool. I love this corner over here. And look at them right there on the very edge of the corner. That's cool there. And those crazy cool cells. Do you guys have to tell me what you think? I do appreciate everybody watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you will like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. That fun jazzy jazz to help support my channel. Helps my channel out tremendously, and I do appreciate all your nice comments. And I hope everybody is doing well. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're new, I hope you enjoyed and you'll come back, hit that notification bell. Those are so cool. And yeah, I hope everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID. Healthy, just healthy in general. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.